I think this, as you rightly said, session needed much more time considering the kind of engagement that we saw from the audience as well as from the distinguished panelists of this session. So I think we will try to cover that up through the coffee session that we have after this final vote of thanks. Respected dignitaries, distinguished speakers, delegates, invitees and guests, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Indian Chemical News, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our esteemed speakers for being with us here for yesterday and today and supporting the maiden edition of Gujarat Chem and Petchem Conference 2025, as well as for their guidance and support. My sincere thanks to all our delegates, invitees and guests for being with us throughout the last 2 days. Friends, we had very meaningful, thought-provoking and enlightening sessions. All 12 sessions discussed the issues, challenges and opportunities of the Gujarat's chemical and petrochemical sectors. We touched upon all aspects of the chemical and petrochemical industries. All 11 presentations were also quite informative from the partners who were part of the overall program. I'm sure that all of you had a very fruitful and learning sessions today as well. I'm exceedingly grateful to industry associations who supported this event as our industry association partners, primarily Gujarat Chemical Association, Jhagadia Industries Association, Dahej Industries Association, and Alkali Manufacturer Association of India for supporting this first edition of Gujarat Chem and Petchem Conference. I also extend my gratitude to all our sponsors, academia partners Somaiya Vidya Vihar University, Platinum partners Premier Tech Systems and Automation, ABB India and Netrodyne, Gold partners Twarit Solutions, SNF Flopam India, Alima India, Amtech Land Instruments International, BEIL, UPL University of Sustainable Technology, Forbes Marshall, Sai Infotech and Nuthunga Technologies, Graphite India, Thermax, Gem Machinery and Allied Industries, our associate partners, Flaminia ECAB India, LAP India, Goodrich Gasket, GD Waldner and Diani Engineering. I extend my sincere thanks to our knowledge partner, Coherent Market Insights, our technology partner, EasyBiz Technologies, and event partner, Plus4U Solutions. Last but in no way the least, I would like to extend my gratitude to the team Indian Chemical News, whose tireless efforts made the first edition of Gujarat Chem and Petchem Conference highly successful and possible. As Praveenji earlier said in his note, since we all are from Delhi and we have our families, and considering the hard times that we are passing through during this Indo-Pak border issue, तो हमारी फैमिलीज भी काफ़ी परेशान थी पिछले 2 दिनों से कि कैसे आप लोग मैनेज कर रहे हैं, कैसे चल रहा है आपका प्रोग्राम, वी गाइज आर वरीड अबाउट इट. तो काफ़ी टन सिचुएशन थी एंड आई थिंक ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अपलॉज टू द टीम ICN जिन्होंने इस सिचुएशन को बहुत ब्रेवली वो किया है और एक अच्छा सक्सेसफुल एक इस तरह का टर्न आउट और पूरा एग्जीक्यूशन में इवेंट हेल्प की है. वी हैव सम वेरी यंग किड्स इन आवर टीम एज पार्ट ऑफ आवर टीम और उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा काम किया है इसमें, तो बहुत कमेंडेबल जॉब लगता है जो हमको. Likewise, I would also like to thank all our delegates, all our speakers. आप लोगों ने अपने अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से टाइम निकाला, आप लोग आए अपने प्लांट के जो आपके जॉब रोल्स हैं उससे उस पर उस सारी सिचुएशन को देखते हुए जो आप लोगों ने इस इवेंट को सपोर्ट किया, सक्सेसफुल बनाया, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ उसके लिए भी एक बनती है आप लोगों के लिए अप्रिसिएशन की तालियां उसके लिए. नॉट टू फॉरगेट अवर ऑल स्पीकर्स, आई थिंक काफ़ी क्लोजली हम लोग हमारी टीम ने इन सब सारे स्पीकर्स के साथ काम किया जो भी 2 दिन हमारे डिफरेंट सेशंस में आए हैं और दे गाइडेड अस अ लॉट सिंस वी वर नॉट too much friendly about the technical aspects of the plant कि क्या होता है कैसे होता है, तो they gave us a lot of directions, lot of indications, lot of inputs कि किस तरह से हमको अपना प्रोग्राम शेप करना चाहिए, किस तरह के एजेंडा में किस तरह से हाईलाइट करना चाहिए चैलेंजेस को या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को. So I think that also helped a lot in terms of, making this event a highly successful one. So I would request another applause for the speakers as well. Thank you once again to all of you for your consistent guidance and support. Friends, we also have our next conference which is coming up on 18th and 19th of June. So it is the 5th edition of Next Gen Chemical and Petrochemical Conference 2025 in Mumbai. And we would like to invite you all to please see if you can block your schedules and try to be a part of that event as well. So that is more focused on the strategy side of the chemical industry, petrochemical industry, both from India as well as global level. तो अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के अगर उसको भी अटेंड करेंगे तो इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट ऑनर फॉर अस.